I'm Rusty. You may recognize me from BigTeachingLittle.com or my newest business venture, Rusty Sweet Treats. Many of you already know that I love art. In fact, it's my second favorite subject in school behind reading. The other day, I drew the most perfect dinosaur. I wanted to paint it and hang it in my room. Unfortunately, we didn't have any paint in our house. Even worse, my parents were too busy to go buy me some. Since I'm still 8.5 years away from getting my driver's license, or should I say 3,102 days away from getting my driver's license, or 74,460 hours away from getting mine. Well, you get it. I love math too. I had no choice other than to try to search and find things in our house that I could use to make my own paint. I found 5 different recipes to try. They're all non-toxic, which means my baby sister can even use them. I'm going to make each recipe and test the following: vibrancy, washable, the drying time, and the taste, and the ease of use. Paint number 1 is a cornstarch base paint. You need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 1 cup of cold water. Mix and heat over medium heat until the mixture thickens. Then divide the mixture into 6 equal parts, 1 part for each color. We are going to make red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now I'm going to see how well it works when I'm finger paint it. So I'm going to finger paint some of my dinosaurs. Paint number 2 is a flour-based paint. You'll need 1/4 cup of flour, and you need to add water and whisk until a good consistency. You can add vegetable oil to make the paint glossy. Then divide and add food coloring. Now I will finger paint the dinosaur to see how well it is. Paint finger paints. Paint number 3 is a baking soda based paint that I made myself the recipe for. You'll need 1 cup of baking soda, 3/8 cups of vinegar, a little cornstarch to thicken paint if needed. Then mix and divide and then put the food coloring in. Paint number 4 is a Kool-Aid based paint. You need 1/2 cup of flour, 1/8 cup of Kool-Aid, 2 tablespoons of salt, 3/4 cup of boiling water, and 2 tablespoons of oil. And then you can mix. Paint number 5, marshmallow based paint. You need 1 cup of marshmallows, 1/4 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of corn syrup. Heat marshmallows in the microwave for 30 seconds. Stir in water and heat for 30 seconds. Stir in corn syrup and heat for 30 seconds. Now that we're done, we're going to look at each one and see their vibrancy. Which one's rice, which one's darkest. Okay, I rank this one, number 1 is vibrancy. It's a Dimethridon, but it's still not dry. Definitely I would rank this number 1 second, 3rd. I would rate this 4th and it's still wet. Still wet. 5th, the colors aren't very bright. Now let's take a look at their drying time. 1st through 5th, how long it takes for them to dry. This one was number 1. It dries in under a minute. That's really fast. The colors aren't vibrant though. I would put this is number 2 and this is number 3. Now we have to ask these 2. Dry, dry, dry. Nope, it's not dry. Clumps, clumps, clumps. Not dry, not dry. This rainbow is almost dry, so the yellow is wet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to see the ease of use, which is a combination of how easy they were to paint with a brush and how easy they were to finger paint. So I think I put it in 5, the Dimethridon, 1, the Ceratosaurus, 3, the Apatosaurus, 2, the Ankylosaurus, and 4, the Iguanodon. So we're going to see which paints taste best. I've got my water here in case it doesn't taste good. And let's start with this. Tastes more like cornstarch. I know which one this is because of the color. You can tell. It's definitely very strong. So it is a Kool-Aid one. I didn't think it would taste like that. Okay, please. This one actually tastes a little nice and sour, so okay. Dry. Well, so far they haven't tasted good. I don't know which one this is. It's mine. Mine tastes the worst. Number 5, the marshmallow paint. Number 4 is the Kool-Aid paint. Number 1, which is the cornstarch paint. Tastes it like corn. Number 2. And number 3, the homemade paint that did not taste good. Let's try out this paint to see if my little sister, the Billy goat, will eat it. She eats pretty much anything. Number 5. The one that I put is the best. Cutie, kitty, kitty, kitty. What is she doing? I think she likes it. Should we give her the one? Let's keep that. Your kitchen floor is stained. Another thing we're going to be testing is if the paint is washable. So you know whether it will come out come out of your clothes if you just happen to spill it. So we'll test that right now. Now we are going to throw the towel in the wash machine and see what it looks like when it comes out. It looks like they all washed out moderately well. So it looks like 2, maybe 4, 5, 1, 3. We put in 2 and 4, so we didn't put in the rest vegetable oil. After averaging out all the scores, we found out that the Dimetrodon paint, the marshmallow paint, is the best overall. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Though these paints are edible, I do not recommend you to eat it for meal.